This is CBeebies on YouTube. Find even more fun and games for your child at the CBeebies website.
Oh, these sniffles making me feel so poor. Oh, and I've lost a jewel. I think I'll just have a nice little lie down and a rest, and then maybe I'll feel a bit better.
Line!
Yes, Captain, sir.
I mean, ma'am.
What is that racket?
Hey, we were just practicing our drumming.
Oh, I'm trying to get some rest here.
Right you are, Captain.
What is going on?
Everything okay?
What are you doing now?
Just popping up some shelves.
Well, don't.
Right you are, Captain.
We hear you loud and clear.
Oh.
We've made you a barrel of honey and lemon for your Sniffles.
Well, I do quite like honey and lemon, so thank you. Oh, it's very unusual. You sure it's honey and lemon?
Yes. Although we did run out of honey.
And lemons.
So I used an old sock.
And some seaweed.
Right, so instead of honey and lemon, this is old sock and seaweed.
Yes.
Get out!
Gone. Oh, God.
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.